Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Steven from Air RV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the kitchen of my RV. So for the burner, first, before you start, you need to make sure the gas tank is on. So let's go out and check. So for any use of the gas, like a burner or the heater with the gas, you need to turn this on. So you can see this is for the gas. Turn this way, it's open. All right, we have it up, and turn this way is to close, all the way down to close. Okay, let's open it. Okay, how to use it? So first, you can see we have 3 burners. This one is for this one is for that, and this one for the right one. Okay, so let's use this one for example. Turn this, push in to high, and turn this way. So this is the lighter, and always turn this way, clockwise. So this is high and goes to low and high. Now it's off. Similar thing over there. Push, turn to high, and light, low, high, and turn off. That's it. And when you don't use it, you can cover it up. Be careful because it could be very hot after you use. And you have the light for here. It's very beautiful. And also off light underneath the oven.